Welcome to DDR Performance. Today we have a really special product that we recommend for you to get. This is the EZI Extra Power Lube. It's an oil additive with nanotechnology, and basically once you add it and mix it with your engine oil, you would get this, a reduction in 71% in friction. So that would both increase the life of your engine, and it would get you an increase in 3% horsepower as well. Much to say, you would also get a better fuel economy on this. Now we have two of these types, and the first type, the blue one, is for cars that have more than 100,000 kilometers on the odometer, and for the cars with less than 100,000 kilometers on the odometer, you get the red one.
Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more information, visit our website ddrperformance.com.